Hello students, in this chapter our last topic is soil erosion and soil conservation. Soil erosion is the removal of soil by the forces of nature like wind and water more rapidly than the various soil forming process can replace it. Generally, there is a balance between soil forming process and erosional process. The balance can be disturbed by natural or human factors. So first as a natural causes, erosion through wind, glacier and water are natural causes. So in this first as a wind erosion. It is a common cause of land degradation in the arid and the semi-arid grazing lands like in this type. It is one of the processes leading to desertification. To tackle the problem of wind erosion, some way of conservation are taken. These are strip cropping. What is the strip cropping? Strip cropping means large field can be divided into strip like these area. Large fields can be divided into strip and strips of grasses are left to grow between the crops. This breaks the force of the wind. Second, shelter builds like these. Planting rows of trees to create shelter along the edge of fields. This helps in reducing the speed of winds. Second is water erosion. Erosion of top layer of soil caused by running water is called water erosion. Water flowing down over a large area causes the topsoil to be washed away. This is called sheet erosion, like this type of sheet erosion. Now it's a plain area and after erosion forms this type of area. Gully erosion occurs by water flowing down through clay soil that causes deep channel of water flowing down, like this type of a gully erosion. This causes land unfit for cultivation and is known as a badland, like a Chambal valleys. Such is the case in the Chambal basin. So where the gullies are known as a ravines. The example as a Chambal basin. These land areas unfit for cultivation. So way of conservation are planting of trees through community participations like it happened in Panchkula district of Haryana, and integrated watershed development through participatory planning like in Jhabua district of Madhya Pradesh. Next causes as a human causes. Deforestation, overgrazing and faulty method of agriculture are human action which add to the natural factors causing soil erosion. How we can save the our land area? So first as a contour plowing and terrace forming in the hilly areas. Like in this type, what is the contour plowing? Plowing along the contour lines can decelerate the flow of water down the slopes. And second as a terrace forming, like these area. Steps can be cut out on the slopes, making terraces, and terrace cultivation restricts erosion. And third as a constructing suitable dams, etc. Thank you students. Now your chapter is over.